If you've made a payment with your American Express card and need to request a refund, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review your transaction. Check your account statement or online account to confirm the transaction details. Make sure the payment you want to dispute is clearly identified, including the date, amount, and merchant. Step 2. Contact the merchant. Reach out to the merchant directly where the transaction occurred. Explain the situation and request a refund. Many merchants have their own refund policies and may be able to resolve the issue quickly. Step 3. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant documentation that supports your refund request. This may include receipts, emails, or any communication with the merchant regarding the transaction. Step 4. Call American Express customer service. If the merchant is unresponsive or unwilling to issue a refund, contact American Express customer service. Use the number on the back of your card and explain your situation to a representative. Step 5. Submit a dispute. If necessary, formally dispute the charge through American Express. Follow their instructions for submitting a dispute, which may involve filling out a form and providing the documentation you gathered earlier. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with American Express. Always keep records of your communications and transactions for future reference.